Crystal and crystal. Okay. Okay, let us start now. Okay. Okay, don't chat. Don't chat first. Okay, let us see this. Okay. So for this one, okay, my student, especially my student, all of you lah, 6 merah, 6 kuning, 6 biru, 6 hijau. Okay, you have to check, okay, which one is wrong. Okay, which one is wrong. So if this one, okay, do one by one. Okay, example A. 9/5, to change it to mixed number, you have to divide. Why is it divide? Look at this. I told you if you see a line like this, it means 9/5 is also 9 divided by 5. Okay, 9/5 is also 9 divided by 5. So 5 times 1, 5. Okay, 9 minus 5, 4. So your answer is 1/4/5. Okay, so this one is correct. So this is not the answer. Okay, look at B. Okay, B, 13/7. It's also 13 divided by 7. Teacher repeat, 13/7. It's also 13 divided by 7. So 7, 1, 7. Okay, make sure your multiplication table, okay, you have to memorize your multiplication table well. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So answer is 1. This one, okay, bring it here. 1/6/7. Okay, the remainder will be on top. 7 will be the denominator. So you look at this. They are different. If they are different, means that this is wrong. So do you want to continue this too? It's optional. It's up to you. But if I were you, I would take the shortcut. Okay, I got the answer B, because I am very sure C and D will be correct. Okay, will be correct. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put an X here, because later you will see, why is this X wrong? Okay, so answer is B. Okay, so next. Pelita darah, Amis. Okay, Amis. Okay, so continue. Let us continue. Okay, let us continue. Okay, where are we? Okay, so next question, number 2. Okay, number 2. I want to ask somebody with microphone. Okay, I want to see who's it. From 6 merah. Hamimi. Hamimi, I heard that you have a microphone. So Hamimi, are you here, Hamimi?
Yes.
Hamimi. Okay. How do I solve this problem? Number 2.
Oh, wait. I go take my book.
Hey, where is your book? Where is your book? Everybody make sure you have your book and you have your calculation. Okay, next. From 6 kuning. Natalie, can you tell me which one is your answer? A, B, C, D. Which one? Natalie, Mary, Lim. Natalie.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So right now, okay. Number 2, what is your answer? Natalie.
I'm back.
Okay.
My answer is D.
D? Okay.
Yes.
Explain it to me briefly how you do it.
I minus.
I know you minus, because this is minus sign. Of course, you have to do minus, right? How to do?
Yes.
How you get the answer? I want you to
Simply
read your
minus.
calculation.
How?
How? How? Oh, I heard somebody. I lost it. What? You lost it? Hi, Azakri. Okay, so let teacher tell you. Okay, Ayah. Okay, answer is D. But how to get this answer? Okay, actually your answer is correct. Don't tell me you lose your calculation. I told you already, do it inside the book. Inside the book. Okay, look at this. 8 minus, okay, I put a bit far away, minus 2, 4/7. Okay, I rewrite it. Okay, I want to remind you, okay, this one is a whole number. No fraction, okay? No fraction. So when you minus, okay, you have to do something to this number, whole number, to make it same thing like this, okay? Same thing like this, mixed number. You have to change it, okay? You have to change the whole number. So how do we change? Okay, I use another color. Okay, here, 8, because you want to put it as a fraction, okay? You want to do something about it, okay? So which fraction is best, okay, to minus 4/7? Okay, which fraction? You have to think, when you minus, okay, when you minus, the denominator have to be the same, okay? Denominator, the bottom have to be the same. So it would be best if this is 7, okay? 7. But what is supposedly to be written in here, okay? You have to borrow something. You have to borrow 1 from 8. So when you borrow 1 from 8, 8 will become 7. 8 will become 7. And then this one, okay, this one, it will become, okay, I want to ask, what number is suitable to be put here? Suitable to put here. Okay, 7? Yes. Who answered that? Okay, thank you very much. 7. Okay, look at this. I told you already, 7/7 is also equals to 1. So you see, 7 plus 1, the value is 8. Okay, the value of this fraction and 7/7, and 8, they have the same value. Sama nilai mereka. Okay, sama nilai mereka. Same value. Okay, so right now you can minus easily. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 7 is what? What? 7 minus 7. Tell me.
7.
Somebody tell me. What?
7.
Yes, 7. Because denominator minus denominator, it will be the same. Okay, no change. No change. Okay, no change. But there must be the same. Mesti sama. Tapi tidak boleh tolak. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5, 3/7. Okay, so you have to find a small space, okay, in order to write this, okay? You find a small space yourself. If not, you just stick all the sticky note onto the question itself, okay? You have to do your calculation inside. That's why I say it's not easy to lose your calculation, okay? Look at this. Calculate the total of the smallest mixed number and the largest mixed number. Okay, look at these 3 cards. Okay, these 3 cards, all of them have this different denominator. Different. Okay, you have to find the common denominator. How to find the common denominator? 4, 10, 5. Okay, we have to find the common denominator. Okay, multiplication table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. These are multiplication table. I want to find the common denominator, which is 20, 20, 20. So look at this, okay? 4, how to become 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. So when the bottom times 5, the top times 5. So this is 1, 5 over 20. This one, 10, how to become 20? Times 2. So when your bottom times 2, your top you must times 2 as well. So 2, 14, 2, 14 over 20. Okay, maybe you can't see it. Hold on. I'll use another color. Okay. 14 over 20. Okay. Next, 5 times 4 is 20. Times 4. So 112 over 20. So right now you can compare. They want smallest. Which one is the smallest? This is the smallest. Okay, let's try another color. Which one is the biggest? Biggest is the largest. The largest mixed number is, look at which number is bigger. This is 2, this is 1. So it means that this is bigger. So they want the total. So next is total. Okay. Siapa tu? Siapa tu? Siapa bising? Okay. Then we continue. Okay. So the total. So this one. Okay. 2, 14 over 20 plus 1, 5 over 20. Carol, mute your microphone. Carol. 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 Carol, Fami, can you mute your microphone? Okay, after teacher mute, you don't unmute yourself. Huh? Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. 14 plus 5, 19 over 20. So you confirm, get your answer. Okay, confirm, get your answer. 3, 19 over 20. So these are the steps that you have to do. You have to detect, you have to be smart. Okay, if you want to compare fraction, make sure you have the same denominator. Okay, I better write here. Compare fraction. Kalau kamu mau banding pecahan, compare fraction. Find the common denominator. Okay? Untuk banding pecahan, cari ini denominator, ini yang bawah nih. Okay? Dia mesti sama. Okay? Sama baru kamu nampak. Okay, so next question. Number 4. Okay, number 4 is find the product. Product is multiply. Okay? Product is multiply. So it means that this is a very direct question. Very direct question. Do this. Okay, next. Say it. Say it. Say it. Is your microphone okay? Say it. Say it. Can you tell me how to solve this problem? Say it. Say it. Say it. Are you here? Say it. Say it. Otegali. Can you tell me how you solve this problem? Say it. Yo, kamu if teacher Yong asks you, you don't want to answer. But if other people ask you, you want to answer. Okay? Nobody want to answer me? Somebody. Okay, Said doesn't want to answer me. I don't know why. Okay, Ryan. Tell me, Ryan. You see why so quiet? Okay, what number is it for? Where is your calculation? Okay, you see, top and bottom can be simplified. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 1, 4. Okay, 3, 1, 3. 3, 3, 9. Okay, 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. So you get 1 over 3A. Hey, what happened to all of you? Kalau Cikgu Angela kamu mau jawab, berebut mau jawab. Okay? Okay, next. Number 5. This one. What should I do first? Anybody? Somebody tell me, what do I do first? Number 5. Not really? Quite anxious sometime? Natalie, what is the meaning of that? Natalie? Quite anxious? Why are you anxious? If teacher Yong asks you, you're anxious. If teacher Angela asks you, you're not anxious anymore. Siapa boleh kasih tahu saya? Siapa boleh kasih tahu saya? What do I do? I change this to improper fraction. Change this to improper fraction. How to change? Times plus. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 over 3 times 81. Okay, so this one, okay, how do I solve it? Okay, so if you can't do it manually. 81 times 5. Okay, 81 times 5. 81 times 5. Okay, times and then divide. Okay, times and then divide. 5, 1, 5, 5, 8, 40. And then divide by 3. Okay, divide by 3. 3, 1, 3. 3, 3, 9. 3, 5, 15. So you get your answer. Okay, you get your answer. 135. Okay, so next. Okay, since we should be at number 10 right now because it's almost 9:30, so I have to speed up. Okay, multiply the fraction of the shaded parts of the whole diagram by 1 over 2. So this one, it means that something times 1 over 12. We have to find this shaded fraction. How to find it? Okay, let's calculate this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So shaded part, look at this. Shaded parts, they are 3. Okay, by whole diagram. Whole diagram is calculate all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3 over 8. 3 over 8. So 3 and 12 can be simplified. 3 and 12 can be simplified. Okay, by how? Okay, 3 times 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. So you look at this, 3 and 12. 3 and 12. Okay, 3 and 12. So this is 1. Okay, I'll use a red pen. Okay, 1 and 4. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Okay, so this is the simplest one already. 1 times 1. 1 times 1, 1. 8 times 4, 32. So your answer should be A. Your answer should be A. Okay. Next. Okay, this one is also an easy question. Okay, it is an easy question. So what do I do first? This is a mixed number. Okay, first step, okay, change the mixed number, change mixed number to improper fraction. Change mixed number to improper fraction. This one. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 4 times 5 over 6. Okay, this one, you have to have your basic, okay? You need to remember your basic. Okay, 6 and 9. Okay, luckily I did my multiplication table here. Okay, I did my multiplication table here. Okay, if I'm so lazy, okay, your teacher is a lazy teacher, okay, I guess so. I need a lot of shortcuts. So this is my shortcut, okay? So I just copy and paste. So you see, so if you have your multiplication table on your book, this is as easy as it gets, okay? So you see 6 and 9, okay? 6 and 9, so I choose this one, okay? 6, okay, and 9. You see 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. So 6, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. Okay, that's how you do your simplification. Okay, simplify it. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 2, 8. Okay, look at your answer. Okay, this is improper fraction. This is mixed number. So you have to change it back. Okay, your answer, you look at this, better not write 2, okay? Okay, so you have to change it back. Change it to mixed number by dividing. Hold on. Okay, so 15 divided by 8. 8, 1, 8. 7. So 1, 7 over 8. So your answer is C. Your answer is C. Okay, next question. This one. Oh, this one is difficult. Okay, this one is a bit difficult. Okay, let's see. All of these are mixed number. You have to change it. So first, you have to look at A. Okay, A times plus. Times plus. Okay, so 2 times 1 plus 1, 3 over 2, times 6 times 1, 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, so this one, look at this again. Okay, look at this again. I better copy. And then I paste it here. That's why I say it's good to have your multiplication table. Okay, you build your own multiplication table. So you see 3 and 6. Okay, let's see. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. So 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, so 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. So 1 times 11, 11. 2 times 2, 4. So you get your answer. Don't leave it like this. Okay, don't leave it like this. You have to do division. You have to make it like this. Or you can just do this. 2 times 4 times 2, 8 plus 3. So your answer should be 11 over 4. Look at this. Are they the same? Are they the same? Are they the same?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Okay, I see Most of you got it. Okay. So answer is the same. Why not just circle the answer? So do you want to do B, C, and D? I don't think so. But if you have the time, you can do this. But if you don't have the time, okay, just when you get to see the right answer, just circle the right answer. That's it. Move on to the next question because it's already 9:30 o'clock. Okay, look at this. Which diagram represents its product? Okay, this one. You have to look at this. Okay, you have to look at this. Hold on. Okay, let's see. First, do this. Okay, I told you you have to change it. You have to change this to improper fraction. Change it to improper fraction. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Okay, so this one. Next, what do? You simplify it. Look at the top and the bottom. We have 5 and 5. So automatically you use one multiplication table. Okay, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, cut. Okay, and this one, 18 and 8. Okay, they are even number. Even number can be divided by 2. So 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 9, 18. So your answer is 9 over 4. Okay, don't leave it like this. Okay, don't leave it like this. You have to change it to here. Mixed number. 9 over 4 is also 9 divided by 4. 4, 2, 8. So your answer is 2 here. 2, 1 over 4. So which one is 2, 1 over 4? This one is 2, but this is 2, 1 over 3. Look at this, 2, 1 over 3. So this is not the answer. Look at this, okay? You have to transfer this to here, okay? So it will become 2, 1 over 4. So your answer should be B. Your answer should be B. So this one, incorrect. Okay, and this one is 3. 3, 1 over 4. So it's not 2, 1 over 4. My answer is 2, 1 over 4. So B is your answer. Okay, so we move on. Number 10. Okay, number 10. Look at number 10. Okay, this is a number line. When you have a number line, okay, you have to remember, okay, the denominator. Look at the denominator, they are the same. So you see, 1, 2, 3. You see 1, 2, 3. So logically, this would be 2, 1 over 5. And this one would be 2, 2 over 5. So look at the question again. Divide the value of y by 6. So 2, 2 over 5 have to be divided by 6. But look at this. This is a mixed number. You have to change it to improper fraction. Change it to improper fraction. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Divide. Remember, when you divide, okay, you have to change it to times. When you change it to times, 6 will be inverse. Okay, kasih terbalikan, flip it. Okay, so 6 is also 6 over 1. When you inverse it, it will become 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Why are there so many questions? Okay, let me just mute everything. Mute. Where's the mute? Okay, not even, okay. So nobody can disturb us anymore. So this one, 6 and 12. If you remember your multiplication table correctly, okay, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So you look at this, 1 and 2. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So your answer is 2 times 1, 2. 5 times 1, 5. So your answer is 2 over 5, A. 2 over 5, A. Okay? If I am too fast, you can stop your teacher, okay? You can ask your teacher question if you don't understand. So if you still cannot understand after that, then you can refer to the video again. So I'm going to do the next one, 11. So right now we have reached to number 11, same thing. Divide by 28. 28 is also 28 over 1. When you inverse it, it will become 1 over 28. So this one, this one will be 4 over 7 times will become multiply. Inverse 28. Okay, when you inverse it, it will become 1 over 28. 1 over 28. So this one is multiplication table of 4. Okay, multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1, 4. 2, 8. 3, 12. 4, 16. 5, 20. 6, 24. 7, 28. So this one, you look at this, 4 and 28. So 4, 1 and 4, 7. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 7, 28. So these are the simplest fractions. So multiply directly. 1 times 1, 1. 7 times 7, 49. So your answer is A again. Okay? Your answer is A again. So next, okay? Next will be the same. Okay? Same thing. Okay. Why Natalie? Why Natalie? What happened, Natalie? Why Natalie?
Nothing, teacher.
Nothing. Okay. Okay, so this one, same thing. Okay. 4, 1 over 2. Okay, I just do it here. Okay, since you guys have very limited space. Okay, so it will become 9 over 2. 9 over 2 divided by 9. So when you do this, 9 over 2 divide by 9, divide will become times. Then this one you have to inverse it. So 9 over 1, inverse it, you will get 1 over 9. Okay, inverse it. So 9 and 9 cancel each other. 9 times 1, 9 times 1. So these are the simplest. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. So 1 over 2. Settle. Okay, settle. Answer is also A. So next, 13. 13. How many 3 over 5 are there in 2, 7 over 10? Okay, how many? Okay, let's see. I will change it to mathematical sentence for you guys. Okay, what is the meaning of how many? Look at this. How many times 3 over 5 equals to 2, 7 over 10. Okay, these are the mathematical sentence for this actually. How many, look at this. How many is this one. How many 3 over 5 are there in 2, 7 over 10? These are the mathematical sentence. Okay, so if I want to do it, okay, still remember what I have to do it? Here, how do I do it? Okay, this one, bring it backward. So when you bring this thing, okay, times 3 over 5, when you bring it to the other side, it will become 2, 7 over 10. divide by 3 over 5. Okay, times will become divide. Just like plus, when you move it to the other side, it will become minus. Okay, if this is minus, you move to the other side, it will become plus. Okay, so right now is times, move to the other side, it will become divide. Okay, so this one, same thing. Change it to improper fraction. 10 times 2, 20. 20 plus 7, 27 over 10 times 5 over 3. Okay, why? Because division, there is no division here. You have to change it to multiplication. After you have changed it to multiplication, you have to inverse this. Okay, inverse it. 3 over 5, inverse. When you do division, you have to inverse it to 5 over 3. Inverse it. Okay, so next, this one. You have to do your multiplication table, especially 606 hijau. Okay, 606 hijau. Look at this, 3 and 27. They are actually related. They can be simplified by multiplication table of 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 9, 27. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. Because they are related to each other. Okay, so your answer is, these are the simplest fraction. 9 times 1, 9. 2 times 1, 2. So this is not your final answer. Look at this. All of these are mixed number. So you have to change your improper fraction to mixed number. But look at this. I know my answer. Okay, I can guess my answer because you look at this. This is denominator of 2. Which one has the denominator of 2? Only D. Okay, but if you still want to calculate, yes, we can calculate. 9 over 2 is 9 divided by 2. 2 times 4, 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So your answer is 4, 1 over 2. So you can use your logic sometimes, okay? When you get it, when you get your answer, you can look at this. 50, 10, 10, 2. So your answer should be D, by logic. Okay, by logic. So this is the beauty, the perks of doing paper 1. You have answer, but jangan tembak buta-buta. Okay, jangan tembak buta-buta. Don't just guess. You have to make sure which one is the answer. Okay, which one is the correct answer. So next, 14. Okay, 14. They want the smallest quotient. Smallest quotient. So no choice. Do one by one. Okay, do one by one. So 4 over 5. Let's do first A. Okay, let's do the first one. A. Okay, 4 over 5 divided by 8. Remember, divide will become multiply. Okay, 8 will become, when you inverse it, it will become 1 over 8. We call it inverse. Inverse. Okay, so 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 8. So 1 times 1, 1. 5 times 2, 10. Okay, so next, let's use another color, the green one. Okay, B, let's do B. 5 over 8 divided by 10 will become times inverse 10. Inverse this 10 to become 1 over 10. Okay, so this one, 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 10. So your answer is 1 times 1, 1. 8 times 2, 16. Next, you have to test one by one. No choice. Okay, this one times plus. Okay, you can do it directly. 4 plus 3, 7 over 4. This one, divide by 14. You can automatically do this times inverse 14. Inverse 14, 14 will become 1 over 14. 7, 1, 7, 7, 2, 14. 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 2, 8. Next, the last one, I used the red color, okay? So this one, do the same thing. Okay, it shouldn't be mixed number. You have to change it to improper fraction. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 over 3 times inverse this 16. Inverse it, 1 over 16. So 8, 1, 8, 8, 2, 16. So these are the simplest already. Cannot be simplified anymore. So multiply directly. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, so right now, I want to ask somebody to tell me the answer. Number 14. Somebody open your microphone. Tell me, which one is the smallest? 1 over 10? 1 over 16? 1 over 8? 1 over 6? Which one?
1 over 6.
1 over 6?
1 over 16.
1 over 16? What about others?
1 over 16.
1 over 16.
1 over 16 juga.
Okay, good. Okay, I see a few answers. Okay, yeah, I love you guys. Okay, so let's compare. Okay, these are wrong already, right? Because you look at this, your answer should be either 16 or 6, correct? Okay, these are the two extreme. Okay, so one should be the biggest, one should be the smallest, right? Okay, so we want to find the smallest. I use a black one, okay? No. Okay, I use a green one to represent this. Okay, if I have a pizza, I want to demonstrate it the simplest way. If I have a pizza, I have to cut it into 16 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you see, I give you one small part only. Okay, but if 1 over 6, I draw a diagram. Okay, sorry. Okay, it should be the logo of a Mercedes-Benz. Okay, this is the logo of Mercedes-Benz. Okay, and then, but these are 3 parts. I just need 6 parts. Okay, okay, so you see, this is 1 over 6. This is 1 over 16. Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Siapa paling kecil? Siapa paling kecil?
1 over 16.
Yes. So next time, okay, this is the simplest way to demonstrate, okay, which one is smaller. Okay, if you want to do the hard way also can, okay. When I say compare fraction, 1 over 16, okay, and 1 over 6, okay. If I want to compare these two fractions, I have to find the common denominator, okay, common denominator. Let's look at this. Okay, I want to find the common denominator, 6 and 16. Okay, common denominator, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 16, 32, 48. So 42, 48. Okay, so 48 is the common denominator. So 6 times 8, 48. So this is 8 over 48. Okay, 1 over 16 times 1, 2, 3 times 3 times 3. 3 over 48. So which one is smaller? 3 over 48 is smaller. These are compare fraction. Okay, so this is the smallest. These are the largest, 8 over 48. This is 3 over 48. That's why you choose 1 over 16. 1 over 6 is bigger. Okay, So these are how you compare fractions. So if you want the easy way, you can draw a diagram, just a simple diagram, okay, to see which one is smaller, okay. But if you are very good at calculation, okay, you are very good at basic, you can do this, okay. You can compare fraction like this. This is 3/48. This is 8/48. Okay, so 8/48 is bigger. Okay, 3/48 is the smallest. So next, question number 15. This one, okay, this one is one of the easiest, okay? One of the easiest. How do we do it? How do we do it? Okay, this one. Okay? No. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, switch their places. Switch this, okay, to here, and this to here, okay, so that your mathematical sentence will be 7/9 divided by, divided by 1/18, 81, okay, equals to this, okay. Switch their places. Switch their places, okay. So when you get this, now you can solve it easily, okay. 7/9 divide will become multiply, and you have to inverse this. When you inverse this, it will become 81/1. So 9 and 81, 9, 1, 9, 9, 9, 81. So 7 times 9, 63/1, which is also 63. Okay, 63/1 is also 63. So your answer is D, donkey. Okay, next, 16. We have 10 more minutes. Okay, we have 10 more minutes. We have to rush a bit. Ling gives 1/3, 1/3 of her stamps to her younger brother. How many stamps does she have left? Okay, so what do we do? Okay, total these two. Because they say, you look at this, when you change this to mathematical sentence, 1/3, 1/3 of the total stamp. Okay, you see, of her stamp. When she says stamp, she means local and foreign. Okay, total stamp. Okay, total stamp. Okay, so 1/3. But you see, this is the brother. This is the brother's stamp. She give 1/3. So berapa yang dia tinggal? Still remember when I say 1/3, if 1/3 belongs to the brother, so how many stamp does the sister have? Okay, it will be 2/3. So you have to change it. 2. Okay, 2. These are the sisters. Okay, 1/3 is the brother. These are the brother punya. These are the sister punya. Okay, brother and sister. Okay, so sister and total. So you have to calculate the total of the stamp. So the total kau tambah lah. Plus 3, 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 3 plus 1, 9. Okay, so 2/3 of. Concept of in fraction is multiply. Total is 900. Okay, 313, 339, 300, 300. So 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 3, 6. So she is left with 600 stamps. Okay, 600 stamps. So last page, page 6. Page 6. Okay, page 6. Let's look at page 6. Okay, this one. Okay. Amin cycle from school P. So this is P to Q. He travels 3/4. Okay, we call this 3/4 or 3/4 of the distance. Calculate the distance in kilometer, km, that he has traveled. Okay, so these are the distance. He only traveled 3/4. Okay, so divide it by 4 parts. Okay, he only take 3/4. So you see, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. Okay, until here only. Belum sampai Q. Okay, so 3/4 of the distance. Of concept of in fraction is multiplication. Okay, times the total distance. These are the total distance. 4/5. So what do we do? Change this to improper fraction. 10, 14, 14/5. Okay, so 3 and 5 cannot be simplified. 3 and 4 cannot be simplified. 4 and 14 can, with the multiplication table of 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 7, 14. So cannot be further simplified, so multiply directly. 3 times 7, 14. 2 times 5, 10. Okay, so by right now, you can see the answer already. Okay, you can see the answer already. Okay. Oh, okay, never mind. So this one, do it. Hey, you see, hold on. 14 and 10 can be simplified, right? Okay, by the multiplication table of 2. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 7, 14. 7/5. Look at this. Do we have an answer? Why is it wrong? Why is it wrong? Is it wrong? Trees. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Nobody tell me that I make a mistake. 3 times 7 is 21. Allah, kamu tidak kasih tahu saya. Why nobody want to tell me this? Why I need explanation? Why nobody tell me this? Okay. You see, 3 times 7, 21. Teacher wrote 14. If teacher is wrong, do tell your teacher. So you see, 21/10. By right, you know the answer already is B. But let's see. 10 times 2, 20. So 1/10. So correct. So 18. Okay, we have 3 more minutes. Okay, the sugarcane juice is served equally to 8 guests. What is the volume in liter of sugarcane juice received by each guest? Okay, so this one, serve equally means divide. Okay, divide by 8. So 3/1/5 divided by 8. So to change it to improper fraction, 16/5 times 1/8. Inverse this, okay, inverse it. So next, 8/8, simplify it, 8 to 16. So your answer is 2/5. A, correct? Your answer is A. Okay, next, 19. Lisa has 4/1/2 meter of ribbon. How many similar roses can she make with her ribbons? Okay, so this one you have to do what? Division, okay? Divide. 4/1/2 divided by this, okay? Divided by 8. So you can get the exact amount. So 4/1/2 divided by 3/10. They mentioned that you can change, okay, this is another technique for you guys. How do I know that this is divided by 3 over 10? If I change this to whole number, example, saya ada 4 meter ribbon. Contoh, 4 meter lah, 4 meter ribbon. Example lah, okay, example. Okay, example, if I have 4 meter of ribbon, kalau satu ini perlu 1 meter. So, berapa rows yang saya boleh buat? So, of course, I know that this is 4 divided by 1 is 4. Okay? I repeat. This is another technique. How do I know that this is 4 1 over 2 divided by divided by 3 over 10? Okay, I make it into an example, a whole number example. Okay, 4 over 2, I change it to 4. Maybe this one, I change it to 1 so that it is easier for me. If I have 4 meter, I need 1 meter to do a rows. Okay, I need 1 meter to do a rows. So how many roses that I can do with this ribbon, 4 meter ribbon? So 4 divided by 1 is 4 roses that I can do. 4 rows saja yang saya boleh buat. So this is divided by 1. Okay, same thing. Okay, these are only one of the technique. So if you are confused which one you have to use, you can use another example, easier example for you. Okay, so next, okay, I'm going to use another color. So change it, 9 over 2, inverse it, change it to multiplication and inverse it. Okay, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so this is 15 over 1, which is also 15. So your answer is 15. Okay? Okay? Next. Later you can refer back, okay? You can refer back to the video, okay? How I have an example here, but I don't want you to copy it, okay? Later you copy it. Later your mom or your dad saw it. Hey, why is this teacher write 4 divided by 1? No 4, no 1, okay? So I don't want to do the same mistake again. So I erase it. Later you can refer to the video. Amanda is given 1 over 4 hours to answer 45 questions in a mathematics quiz. She estimates that she will spend the same time to answer every question. If she uses 7 over 9 of the time given, calculate the estimated number of questions that she has not answered yet. Okay, so this one is hot question. Okay, so if you have a long question like this, you can skip it. Okay, if this is too hard for you, you can skip it. Some of you which are you can go back after you have finished your paper, you can go back to this question. These kind of questions are very tricky and you need to spend a bit of time to understand it. So first thing, okay, let us solve the first puzzle. Okay, the first puzzle is here. Amanda is given 1 over 4 hours to answer 45 questions. Okay, so it means that this one is 2 hours and 15 minutes to answer 45 questions. She estimates that she will spend the same time to answer every question. If she used 7 over 9, the time given, calculate the estimated number that she has not answered yet. Oh, okay. So it means that, how to do it? How to do it? Okay, let's see. 1 over 4 hours equals to 45 question. Question. Okay. Very tricky, yeah? Okay, so 7 over 4. Hey, hold on. Why 7 over 4? Hey, hold on. Hold on, hold on. No, 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 no. This is not the way to solve it. Okay. 7/9. 7/9. Look at this. 7/9. If she uses 7/9 of the time given, what is the time given? 2 1/4. Of the time given, 2 1/4. Okay. We have to calculate this one first. This is my first puzzle. Okay. So I use blue color. Okay. So 7/9, 9/4. Okay. So cut. Okay. 7/4. You get 7/4. Okay. So this one, first puzzle is 7/4. Okay, next. This one is the question that she has answered. These are the question that she has answered. Okay, something like that lah. Okay, calculate the estimated. She used 7/9 of the time given. 7/9 of the time given. Okay, so these are the time that she has answered, something like that lah. Okay, so next. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, next. Then we have to solve this problem. Okay, I use black. Okay, 2 1/4 hours equals to 45 question. Imagine that she has completed this. Okay, 7/4 hours. These are hours. Okay, this one. 7/9 of the time given. Okay, equals to how many questions that she has in it. Okay, so when you see this kind of equation, okay, times divide. Okay, 7/4 times 45 divide by 2 1/4. Okay, change it. 7/4 times 45 times, hold on, divide by 9/4. So 7/4 times 45 times 4/9. Inverse it. Okay, so 9 1 9 9 5 4 1 4 1. So how many questions does she have answered? She has answered 35 questions. So you see, these are the questions that she has answered. Okay, out of 45 questions, she has answered 35. So next is red color. 45 minus 35, 10. It means that she hasn't answered 10 questions. Okay, let me repeat for you. 7/9 times this one is to get the time that she has answered. These are the time that she has answered. 7/4 hours, she has answered 35 questions. Look at this, 7/4 hours, she has answered 35 questions. So how many questions that she hasn't answered? It is 10 questions. 10 question yang dia belum jawab. Okay, so the last part is very difficult. You can watch the video again. Okay, let us see. Everybody turn on your camera. Teacher will share the slide to you again. Everybody turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. Oh ya, sekejap. Saya mau tunjuk kepada kamu. Hold on. Okay. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. There is a selfie and Wi-Fi competition. I shared it with you earlier. Still remember that I showed it to you earlier or not? Okay. Hold on. I stop the recording first.